E. Busi mums. Today we're diving into milk-making magic with delicious, quick, and easy lactation smoothies. These recipes are designed to help support your milk supply and keep you energized throughout your day. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks for new moms. Lactation smoothies are not just tasty, they're a lifesaver for moms on the go. Packed with galactagogues like oats, flax seeds, and brewer's yeast, these smoothies can support your milk supply. Plus, they're customizable, making it easy to adapt to your taste and dietary needs. What's your go-to lactation booster? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips and tricks. To create your perfect smoothie, here are some must-have ingredients. Base. Choose almond milk, oat milk, or dairy milk. Fruits. Bananas, berries, and mangoes for natural sweetness and vitamins. Galactagogues. Rolled oats, flax seeds, or brewer's yeast. Healthy fats. Avocado, chia seeds, or nut butter for energy. Optional boosters. Spinach for extra iron, cocoa powder for a chocolatey twist, or protein powder for added nutrition. Quick tip. Keep these ingredients prepped and ready to save time. Let's make two simple but powerful smoothies. Creamy oat banana smoothie. 1 cup almond milk, 1 frozen banana, half a cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 teaspoon brewer's yeast. Blend until smooth and creamy. Berry Boost smoothie. 1 cup oat milk, 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond butter. Blend and enjoy this antioxidant-packed treat. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know below. Make these smoothies your own. Need more sweetness? Add a splash of maple syrup or a few dates. Looking for a protein kick? Toss in Greek yogurt or your favorite plant-based protein powder. Short on time? Pre-freeze your ingredients in individual bags for grab-and-go blending. Share your favorite smoothie hacks in the comments. That's it. 2 amazing lactation smoothies ready to power your day. These recipes are great for boosting milk supply, keeping your energy up, and satisfying those snack cravings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with another mom, and subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, take care of yourself and enjoy your magical motherhood journey.